Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can show and hide walls on The Sims. So to do that, you're just going to go to the build mode here, or you can press F2 on your keyboard. Okay, 'cause this is gonna lag kind of a bit. So to show and hide your walls from, well, like when you're editing your house, you can press the icon over here to show and hide walls. So this will hide all of the walls surrounding your house. If you go to the second floor, you can also do that. Oh, well, there's not a second floor. Sorry, this is just one floor. I just realized this is the roof. But this is all of the walls hidden. This is like half of it, and this is like all of the walls shown on the Sims build. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.